So many people in McDonald's.
Okay na yon.
Pa-double check na lang po kung tama po.
Yes.
Please window for payment po. Thank you.
So this is our order and payment. We will pay cash, but can pay also Gcash. I will ask. Good evening. So can pay also Gcash. Shaira, before work the same. You same counting money, Shaira.
Yes. My work.
You work before. Okay. Okay.
284.
Okay. Thank you. And pick up foods. But you said before when you work, it's a limited time to park here.
Yes.
How long time I can park, for example? Because I know timer
5
have.
minutes here.
5 minutes? No, it's long time. Maybe 1 minute.
No. That's not 5 minutes. 15 seconds only.
50 seconds. So 50 seconds we can park here. 15 seconds we can park for take foods. Okay. Our foods. Oh, so many people inside McDonald's. So many.
Leg part.
Leg
Leg
part.
part.
Leg part, she said.
Ate Shay pala to.
Leg part. Leg part. Leg part. Balik na ba ako? Lisa, dahil pagpakulo rin.
But you want to work again?
I want to work also.
But how? Tired already in home. bored in home. Shaira bored in home. In McDonald's tired, in home bored. Okay. Oh, already have food. Yeah, parking is full, don't have space. McDonald's. Shaira's work. For what? No, I cannot park here. Don't have space. So many people in McDonald's.